In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotations in Figma. Whether you're collaborating with your team or working solo on a project, annotations can be a powerful tool to convey context directly within the design. Let's get started on improving your design communication. First things first, open your favorite browser and head over to figma.com. Figma is an awesome collaborative interface design tool that many designers and teams use. It's known for its intuitive interface and cloud-based platform, which makes it super easy to access your work from anywhere. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll notice the login button right at the top. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already logged in, Figma will direct you straight to your homepage. If not, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be in your workspace in no time. Now that you're logged into Figma Home, take a moment to get familiar with your files and projects. For today's demonstration, we'll be navigating to a FigJam file. If you're unfamiliar, FigJam is Figma's online whiteboard tool designed for brainstorming and collaboration. It's a particularly useful place to add annotations because it fosters teamwork and creativity in a visually engaging way. From your home in Figma, go ahead and find the specific FigJam file you want to work on. It's likely listed among your recent files, but if not, you can search for it by name. Today we're going into a file called Untitled for simplicity's sake. Clicking this will open up your FigJam board. Once you've opened your FigJam file, we're now ready to add our annotations. Look towards the toolbar, typically located on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools that FigJam offers. For adding annotations, we're going to use the sticky note feature, which is perfect for leaving comments, descriptions, or reminders directly on your board. Sticky notes are great because they're easily visible and can be placed anywhere in your design. To create a sticky note, simply click on the sticky note icon in the toolbar. With your cursor, click anywhere on the canvas to place it. Once you place it, you can start typing immediately. Feel free to jot down any notes, ideas, or instructions you want to highlight. To move the sticky note, just click and drag it to your desired position. Annotations done this way can be a lifesaver for maintaining a smooth flow of information within your team. They help ensure everyone understands the design intent and any considerations that need to be taken into account during collaboration. And there you have it, you've just successfully added an annotation in Figma using FigJam. Remember, the right note at the right time can make a huge difference in project clarity and team synergy. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this makes your next design project just a bit more streamlined.